Hi, this is Mrs. Knopf, and today we're going to continue working in our new method book on the trumpet with line 12, three-note rumba. So, as it implies, we are going to use all three notes that we've worked on so far in this book. So, let's take a look. We are in treble clef, as always, and our time signature is 4/4 times, so we have 4 beats in every measure. That's what the top number tells you. And then the bottom number gives you the value of the whole note. So you've got a whole note in measure 3 and in the very last measure, which is 7. So if our whole note gets 4 beats, half of that is a half and half of 4 is 2. So we start out with 2 half notes. They get 2 beats each, and they need to be 2 full beats. And then half of a half is a quarter, half of 2 is 1. So the notes that are colored in, for example, in measure 2, those are quarter notes, and they get 1 full beat each. So we're going to start out on 2 half note Gs. They're on the second line, and they are open. And then we have 2 quarter note Es. They get 1 beat each, and they're on the first line. Es are 1 and 2. Then we go back to Gs. Both of them are quarters. They get 1 beat and they're open. And then the whole note in the third measure is first space, first valve F. We hold that for 4 full counts, and then we have a measure to rest, and that is right here. We have 4 beats. Then we are looking ahead. We play 2 half note Fs, so we stay in first valve. And then the next measure, we're moving a lot more than we have been. So we go to an E, first and second on the first line, move up to F, G, F, and we end up on the E and hold it for 4 full counts. So I'm going to play it, and when I'm done, I'm going to give you some tips on how to deal with measure 6, because that might give you a little bit of trouble. So here we go. This is line 12. 1, 2, ready. Look ahead. So if that was easy for you to keep up with, that's great. But if you had a little bit of trouble with any of it, what you need to do is isolate what gave you trouble and just do 1 or 2 notes at a time until you can start putting them together. So if you look at measure 6 as an example, I've got E to F. So I would just practice that, E to F. And then I would notice, okay, I go up to G. So I would try putting that much together. E, F, G. And then I notice that I'm just going back down, so I'm going to reverse. F, E. And then I will try putting it together. E, F, G, F, E. So as you're reading music, you always have to be looking ahead to see what's coming up next. So just like every other line that we've done, all the other videos, make sure you're starting each note with a t sound, so it's very clean. And make sure you're giving your notes their full value and your rests their full value. I hope this helps, and we'll see you next time.